depends on what you do today. A very good morning to respected director sir, principal ma'am, staff members and my lovely students. Myself Adiba Salman, class teacher of 5th A. Today, October 2nd is of great national importance for the country as on this day two great leaders were born on the Indian soil. Mahatma Gandhi, the nation's father, and Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji, the second Prime Minister of India, who served their selfless service to the nation and continue to inspire everyone. So, I wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti and also Shastri Ji Jayanti. As we all know that Gandhiji's entire life is a living example in front of us to learn and absorb many things from his own personality and from his philosophies of life. And that's the reason he himself says, "My life is my message." Gandhiji was a priest of truth and non-violence. His incredible effort transformed the dream of freedom of Indians into reality. Today, on his birthday, let us remember him and celebrate this day with joy and prosperity. Gandhiji's life was an inspiration for all of us, and the sacrifices he made are our responsibilities now. Let us contribute ourselves to the growth and development of our country to pay a salute to nation's father. Thank you. Now students of class 5th will continue the assembly.
A wonderful morning to respected director, sir, principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Nabha Khan from class 5th A along with my friends to got a golden opportunity to present our special assembly on Gandhi Jayanti. Today we not only celebrate the birthday of Babu but one of the most famous freedom fighter and second Prime Minister of our country, Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji. Now let's start our day with the remembrance of Almighty. For that, join your hands and close your eyes and get ready for morning prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us our trespasses as we forgive those who trespass against us, and lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom and the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen. Now students will come up to express their views and thoughts on Gandhi Jayanti.
Morning everyone, myself Mohammad Ali Khan. I study in class 5th A. Friends like Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi or Mahatma Gandhi, also known as the father of the nation and lovingly called as Bapu. I was born on 2nd October 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. My father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Pudli Bai, and my wife was Kasturba Gandhi. I completed my primary education from Gujarat and higher education from England. I returned to India in 1915 and practiced law and fight against injustice and inequality. I was assassinated by Nathuram Godse on 30 January 1948. Friends, at last I just want to say you all always follow the path of truth and non-violence and live your life in peace and harmony. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Pleasant morning to one and all. Myself Madhya Khan, student of class 5th. My dear friend, today is 2nd October, the birth anniversary of great freedom fighter Mahatma Gandhi. We celebrate this day with great enthusiasm every year to pay tribute to the father of the nation, who devoted his life to India's independence by using his strong weapons, truth and non-violence. Not only in India, this day is also celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence in whole world. Thank you.
A pleasant morning, one and all. Myself, Athas Bhati from class 5th. Friend, as you all know, Mahatma Gandhi, lovingly called Bapu, he always fought what is right and participated in non-violent movement and led many campaigns like Dandi March, Non-Cooperation Movement, Satyagraha, Civil Disobedience Movement, Quit India Movement, etc. Entire India was united together in the movement for freedom along with Gandhiji, and after much sacrifice and effort, India gained its independence 15 August 1947. Thanks.
Morning, respected directors, sir, principal ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself Hadi Khan, and my thought is the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Thank you.
सुप्रभात, मैं क्षाणी द्विवेदी कक्षा 5 से लीड कॉन्वेंट की छात्रा हूँ। गांधी जयंती के अवसर पर आज आप सबके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। 2 अक्टूबर खास होता है, इसमें है इतिहास छिपा। इस दिन गांधी जी जन्मे थे, दिया उन्होंने ज्ञान नया, सत्य अहिंसा को अपनाओ, इसमें सदाई भलाई। इसी के दम पे गांधी जी ने अंग्रेजों की फौज भगाई। इस दिन लाल बहादुर जी भी इस दुनिया में आए थे, देशभक्ति ईमानदार और सबके प्यारे कहलाए थे। नहीं भुला सकते इस दिन को, ये दिन तो है बहुत महान, इसमें भारत का गौरव है और तिरंगे की शान। धन्यवाद।
शुभ प्रभात, मैं कर्नल सक्सेना कक्षा 5 से आपके समक्ष एक विचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। लंबे लंबे भाषणों से कई अधिक मूल्यवान है इंच भर कदम बढ़ाना। धन्यवाद।
शुभ प्रभात, मैं उन्नति सक्सेना कक्षा 5 से लीड कॉन्वेंट की छात्रा गांधी दिवस के उपलक्ष्य पर आपके सामने एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। धोती वाले बाबा की ऐसी एक लड़ाई थी, नागों ने बरसाया उसने, ना बंदूक चलाई थी, सत्य अहिंसा के बल पर ही गौरव को धूल चटाई थी। मन की ताकत से ही उसने रोका तूफान को, हम श्रद्धा से याद करेंगे गांधी के बलिदान को। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to respected directors, sir, principal, and teachers, and my dear friends. Myself, Himanshu, inside my thoughts. If you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. Thank you.
भूपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे मन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। थैंक यू।
A very fine morning to respected director sir, principal ma'am, teachers, all my lovely students and everyone. Firstly, I would like to introduce myself. This is Sanjana Verma, class teacher of 5th B. As you all know that today we all are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti, and today's assembly is also related to this, which is conducted by the students of class 5th. And at the end of the assembly, I would like to say the last 2 words. Here, first of all, I want to say about Mahatma Gandhi ji that Gandhi ji was like a sun who illuminated the whole country with his thinking. Even today, after taking the name of Bapu, the feeling of truth and non-violence awakens in our heart. Gandhi ji was a personality we will never forget. We will remember his great deeds and sacrifices every year on the occasion of his birth anniversary. But we can't give respect to him just by remembering. We also have to adopt their qualities. And the coming generation will also have to make about him known. That great soul will get peace only when we adopt his thoughts. This will be a real tribute to Bapu. जरूरी अगर है ईश्वर की भक्ति, तो उतनी ही ज़रूरी है स्वच्छता और सादगी. Thanks to all of you. Wishing you the best for the day ahead.